I have a Lennox iComfort wireless thermostat that is blank. It's no longer sold and the replacement is $800 with terrible consumer ratings. Is there a way to repair this unit?
Have you replaced your Lennox thermostat or parts of it before? If so, how long ago?
It's 5 years old. Never replaced before.
How long has this been going on with your Lennox thermostat? What have you tried so far?
Checked the breakers, switched the furnace on and out of the furnace, removed the thermostat and reinstalled it. I could see 3 dots on the screen as it tried to boot, but then it goes and stays blank.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I'm pretty technical.
Hi, my name is Em, your personal HVAC/high expert on JustAnswer. I'm sorry to hear you are having issues with your equipment today. I know firsthand how frustrating that can be. If you give me a few moments, I will provide a response to you on your issue. Please bear with my responses, there can sometimes be a small delay. Hope you're doing well today. Does the thermostat take batteries? I assume so if it's a truly wireless thermostat. If that's the case and the batteries are good, the thermostat would be faulty and need to be replaced. First, make sure your batteries are good and the connection points aren't corroded.
It doesn't take batteries. Unless they're a lithium battery I'm not aware of. No screws to open the unit. Tamar, this is a very unique thermostat. If you aren't familiar with it, normal processes don't apply. Perhaps we can get a Lennox specialist to address this?
I am familiar with Lennox iComfort equipment. I'm a Lennox dealer. Either the thermostat has a battery or it's hardwired, no other way for it to get power.
It's hardwired.
Okay. So it's not a wireless thermostat. Can you pop it off the wall and give me the model on the back?
Lennox calls it a wireless unit. It's called a 10F81.
Thanks. Do you have a multimeter? Need to check for 24 volts on R and C. If there's no voltage there, then the furnace/air handler fuse may be popped, drain could be blocked, float switch stopping voltage, or the transformer isn't supplying.
I'm not at the location right now, but I did check it and had 24 volts when checking it earlier.
I see, that helps. You checked directly at the thermostat, yes? If 24 volts AC was present at the thermostat, but thermostat did not power up, the thermostat is faulty.
When reinstalling the thermostat, I get 3 little dots that light up for a few seconds and then they go out. Party is over. Do you know if anyone can resort these thermostats? The replacement is not highly rated and costs $800.
These thermostats are terrible in my opinion. I would get rid of the COM module entirely, run wire and go with a conventional thermostat.
How about a Nest? Can I wire that in?
Like a Honeywell Pro Series or a Nest. Yeah, you can, but you'll need someone to run new wire most likely.
I have to remove the COM module on the furnace?
You'll be wiring straight to the furnace board to the thermostat.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.